Hey, fellow adventurers! Today, we're diving into the top 10 travel myths that keep circling around like luggage on a carousel. I'm here to unpack these, so let's debunk some serious travel myths and get the real scoop. Myth number 1. You need to speak the local language to enjoy your trip. Nope, not at all. While it does help to know please and thank you, gestures, smiles, and Google Translate can get you through almost anything. I once ordered a pizza in Italy using nothing but an enthusiastic thumbs up. Moving on to myth number 2, travel is always expensive. Wrong again. With budget airlines, hostels, and street food, you can explore the globe without breaking the bank. Remember, it's not about luxury but the experiences and the quirky stories you'll tell. Myth number 3, you should always stick to the beaten path. Seriously? The best adventures are where few dare to tread. That hidden alley in Prague led me to the best cup of coffee I've ever had. Myth number 4, eating street food is a surefire way to get sick. Let me tell you, some of the best meals I've had were from street vendors who could barely remember their prices but made food worth every penny. Myth number 5, travel insurance is an unnecessary expense. Think of it as your adventure shield. It's there to protect you from the dragons and cliffs of unexpected travel woes. Myth number 6, plan every detail of your trip. Over-planning can kill the magic of spontaneous adventure. Ever heard of serendipity? It's real and it's spectacular. Myth number 7, hostels are only for the young. Not true. Hostels are social hubs for all ages. It's like summer camp but with more diversity and less curfew. Myth number 8, you can't travel with kids. Absolutely false. Traveling with kids is not just possible, it's a fantastic learning experience for them. Just remember snacks. Lots and lots of snacks. Myth number 9, you should avoid places that others deem unsafe. While safety is crucial, sometimes these unsafe places have the richest cultures and warmest people. Just do your research and trust your instincts. And lastly, myth number 10, you need a lot of time to travel. Not everyone can take a sabbatical. Short trips, even to nearby places, can be just as enriching. So there you have it, 10 travel myths, totally busted. Now you're better equipped than ever to jet off into the sunset. If you enjoyed debunking these myths with me, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more myth-busting adventures. Remember, the world is vast and full of wonders waiting for you to explore it. Safe travels and see you on the road.